As you can see, a beautiful pink cheetah print shoes.
Happy birthday to you. Bar and restaurant खुला है.
It's a Saturday again. It's been such a lazy morning. I didn't feel like waking up early and doing anything. And I think we all have those kind of mornings where we just feel like just not doing anything. And plus the weather of Bangalore is also such that I don't know what this weather is. It's just so cloudy all the time. It's so extra pleasant that you don't feel like doing anything, just lying on the bed and like not wake up. But yeah, you have to. Today for the workout also, I was not feeling, energetic. So I've decided to do 20 to 30 minutes of mobility workout. That's going to be the workout of the day. And if you're also feeling tired or just lazy on some days, try mobility workouts. Just search it on YouTube and you will see a lot of videos. Those videos, they aren't like a lot of cardio. They mostly focus on functional movements. So that will help with the overall flexibility of your body. And those are full body workouts. So they will, I think you will like them. I think those are perfect for lazy kind of days. And I mean, yeah, this helps me in being regular with my workouts. So even on days where I'm feeling lazy, I have done something because I just feel that, there's I just feel that we have to exercise every day, whatever exercise it is that we can do and we like doing. So post workout, I don't have any plans for today. There's a friend's birthday, so we may go out to celebrate his birthday. Let's see if that plan works out. And apart from that, I may just do my Saturday chores, like putting clothes for cleaning, maybe some home organization. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out.
What's up, Audio Warriors, and welcome back to another video. If you want the downloadable version of this video, that'll be available. Link to this below, as well as a link to my app to try every. Begin to walk that shallow position in the mid back. So this last one is 5th rep. Reach up fully, this shoulder blade back as far as I can. Think about moving the left leg as far as I can. Whilst transferring that shoulder down to the ground. Pause for 4 or 5 seconds. Back to the center. Again, hold for 3 or 4 seconds. And come back up again. Exactly the same thing. So 5 reps per side. And pause for 20 seconds for the large. So help, because this needed for the extra. On my thighs, like push my hips back, straighten the legs, feel the stretch in the hamstring to the trusty back wiggle position. Right, and a bit of stretching over general upper body lower body. So we're going to move, but don't sit back. This is not the position of the arm raising, not coming up, coming out of the stretch.
So my workout is done and it feels great. I'm sweaty, but I think after every workout, even if it's a home workout, you feel really nice, you feel great. And I just feel that, you know, we don't do enough for our bodies. We abuse it so much. We keep sitting all the time. We eat junk food. So at least a 30 to 40-minute workout every day will kind of keep it active, keep it nice and healthy. Doesn't have to be anything major, extreme, like how you saw. I just did a mobility workout at home, and it still made me sweaty, and I feel like it was a good workout. So on to other things of the day. After a workout, the skin kind of starts glowing. It has like a very natural glow that cannot be achieved otherwise. So that's also an added benefit. Okay, so all my clothes are washed and dried, but the other task for today is my monthly shoe cleaning, and I have all my shoes here. Now, all these are sport shoes, kind of shoes, they're all washable, and I have a technique of cleaning them, which is very easy, everyone can do this. So, first, let me show you my shoes. So, this one is, as you can see, a beautiful pink cheetah print shoes. Again, one of my favorites. I wear this the most every day, mostly to work and everywhere. Like, this is my go-to. Also, one special thing about this shoe is that if you notice the lace, it's for decorative purposes. It's actually a slip-on, so it's very convenient to just slip on, slip in and slip out of this, and so it's very easy to just wear this. And if you're going to a place like, for example, shopping, where you have to try different things and remove the shoes to put on the pants, I think this is perfect. And this one is from Adidas, and it's been there with me for around 5 years now, and it's still going great. Then the next one is my Nike white shoe. This is also washable, and as you can see, it has started graying out on the side. I think white shoes tend to get dirty soon, especially in India, I mean, and that's understandable, but that's fine, we can wash them. And this one is my walking shoe, which is also from Nike, and as you can see, it's very dirty because recently there was a lot of rain and I stepped out in mud, so it has become dirty, but I mean, we are going to clean it anyway. So the trick that I use is I take a thin bag, like this is a cotton bag. You can take any grocery bag. It should not be very thick, the material should be thin, like this one is pretty thin. So what I do is I put my shoes in the bag, and then I tie a knot, okay, and then I put it in the washing machine. So what the bag does is, if there is any, you know, small pebbles or boulders that are in the shoe, it does not get into the washing machine. The bag will kind of act as a filter, but it will still allow the water to go inside and clean the shoe effectively. And because this is a large bag, I can actually put in all my shoes and wash them all together also. So yeah, let me just put on all these shoes in the washing machine and then clean them, and I'll show you how clean they look when they come out. So now it is 6:15 p.m. in the evening, and I'm done with all the work of the day. And now it's time to get ready and go for a birthday party of a friend. It's Anand's birthday today. I don't know what, I don't know how old is he turning. But yeah, we've decided to go out for his birthday dinner and maybe cut a cake as well. So I'll get ready and go there, and that would be pretty much the wrap of the day. But yeah, overall it was a very relaxing Saturday. After a full week of work, days like this is a bliss. You just get to rewind and kind of get free of all the stress that builds up throughout the week. So I'm really grateful for that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ananda, to you. May you get more and more. बड़ा काटूं क्या? टाइमन विस जाके हमें नाम लिखवाना पड़ेगा.
Cooking. Does she look like she cook?
मैंने नंगा फोटो.
Yeah, साली आई बड़ी.
कर लो बाद में edit. So you okay? Let me just put my legs.
नहीं ठीक है तो रुक जा रे.
Bar and restaurant plan.
Why
They wanted it since.
Yeah, dude, it is ऊपर रख.
एक तरह से जिया चला रही है. नहीं. She said only all white.
Yeah, I received them today, but the thing is. इसलिए थाईवान रिस्क आ गया ना. This is like a starter, right?
नंगा फोटो देखता है फिर ये प्राइवेसी के बारे में बोलता है. मेरा नंगा फोटो जिया चला सबसे पहले चलती है तेरे लगाया. This picture is nice. I'll put it on Insta. Happy birthday Anand Shimpi. So I will tag this picture as complaining Anji and birthday.
Oh, that is the happy birthday cake. 30 aesthetically is possible. If possible.
Just do like that.
कर ले यार तू.
करना कुत्ती. Where is your phone? Yeah, with that only.
Anyways, already 6 pieces है.
हाँ एक खोल घुसाना आता है
हाँ
हाँ बस
so much better than Roxy. बात भी नहीं हुई.
She will come here, no? In the sector, if you don't mind.
मुझे भी एक ऑर्डर सेंटर कॉन्फ्रेंस इज गॉन.
Madhepura. Sagar, you have ordered jasmine rice also.
Yeah, I want that also later. Hey, get in the car.
चल Today is Saturday. Why don't you take rest?
You're watching the News Hour Agenda Election Special. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Today, the Congress romped home to a big win in Karnataka with over 130 seats and increasing its vote share by 5%. The BJP has kept its vote share almost intact, but its seats went down by all.
Hey Google, good night.
Good night, Manas.